Welding tools have shaped the world in ways that go far beyond metal and sparks. They are the unsung heroes behind towering skyscrapers, intricate art, and even cultural traditions that span centuries. This video dives into why these tools are more than just equipment. They are symbols of human ingenuity and connection. Stick around to uncover the surprising cultural significance of welding tools and how they have left their mark on history and society. Welcome to Objectified, the channel where everyday objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, the focus is on welding tools, those powerful instruments that fuse metal and, in many ways, fuse cultures, ideas, and progress. From ancient forges to modern plasma cutters, welding tools have a story that is as rich as it is unexpected. This video explores their origins, evolution, and why they hold a special place in cultures around the world. Get ready for a journey that is equal parts history, innovation, and cultural celebration. Welding, at its core, is about joining materials to create something stronger than the sum of its parts. The story begins thousands of years ago, as far back as 3000 BC, when humans first worked with bronze. Archaeologists have uncovered small golden boxes from the Bronze Age, welded with rudimentary techniques, showing early mastery of metal fusion. Egyptians used charcoal to pressure weld swords, while in 1500 BC, iron smelting became widespread, marking a leap in metalworking. By 1000 BC, the Iron Age brought tools and weapons forged across the Middle East, laying the foundation for welding as a craft. During the Middle Ages, blacksmiths became village heroes, forge welding iron to craft everything from horseshoes to armor. This was not just a job, it was a vital role that shaped communities and their survival. The term weld comes from the Middle English word well, meaning to heat to the maximum, a nod to the intense process that defines it. Welding transformed dramatically during the Industrial Revolution. In 1800, chemist Sir Humphrey Davy discovered the electric arc, a breakthrough that changed metalworking forever. By 1802, Russian scientist Vasily Petrov created a stable electric arc, allowing welders to melt metals with precision. The 19th century saw the invention of acetylene by Edmund Davy, leading to gas welding and cutting. World War I pushed welding into the spotlight as nations relied on it to build ships and airplanes quickly. Arc welding became a staple, with England and Germany perfecting techniques for military production. In 1920, automatic welding emerged, feeding electrode wire continuously, making the process faster and more efficient. The 20th century introduced gas tungsten arc welding, or TIG, in 1941, enabling the fusion of non-ferrous metals like aluminum and magnesium. Today, robotic welding dominates industrial settings, while laser and friction stir welding push the boundaries of precision. Each innovation has made welding more accessible, safer, and integral to modern life. Welding tools are not just about function, they carry deep cultural meaning across the globe. In Japan, the art of yosuji welding reflects precision and aesthetic harmony, blending metal with the elegance of traditional joinery. This approach has influenced global artisans who adopt Japanese techniques to create visually stunning structures. In Nordic countries, welding merges functionality with art, inspired by nature's organic shapes. Scandinavian welders craft pieces that are both practical and beautiful, embodying a cultural reverence for the natural world. Africa's welding traditions are vibrant and diverse. From the Mossy's intricate beadwork-inspired metal designs to West African blacksmiths' bold geometric patterns, these techniques tell stories of identity and community, resonating with welders worldwide who draw inspiration from African craftsmanship. In Latin America, welding is a form of artistic expression, seen in the vibrant sculptures of Mexican artist David Alfaro Siqueiros and the intricate metalwork of Peruvian markets. These creations are not just objects, they are cultural narratives, full of color, texture, and passion. Welding tools also symbolize resilience and progress. During World War II, women known as welders joined the workforce, challenging gender norms and proving that welding was for everyone. Today, welding remains a craft that bridges cultures, industries, and generations, uniting people through shared creativity and skill. Did you know that welding can happen underwater? Divers use special equipment to weld pipelines and ships, a dangerous but critical job that keeps global infrastructure running. Another surprising fact: the Statue of Liberty's iron framework was forge welded in the 1880s, a testament to welding's role in iconic landmarks. Welding even has a place in space. NASA uses advanced welding techniques to build spacecraft that withstand extreme conditions. Here is a quirky detail. Some welders claim their tools have personalities, with certain torches or machines feeling like trusted partners after years of use. Finally, welding has inspired pop culture. From the sparks and masks in movies like Flashdance to the futuristic welding in sci-fi films like Star Wars. These tools are not just practical, they are cultural icons in their own right. Welding tools are far more than instruments of industry. They are storytellers, weaving tales of human innovation, cultural diversity, and resilience. From ancient forges to futuristic factories, these tools have shaped societies and inspired artistry across the globe. They remind us that even the most practical objects can carry profound meaning, connecting us to our past and propelling us into the future. The next time you see a welded bridge, sculpture, or even a piece of jewelry, take a moment to appreciate the craft and culture behind it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into welding tools, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves history, culture, or craftsmanship. Subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the objects that shape our world. Drop a comment below, tell us what welding means to you or what object you want us to explore next. Thanks for joining us on this fiery journey through the cultural significance of welding tools. Objectified is all about uncovering the hidden stories behind everyday objects, and we are thrilled to have you along for the ride. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you. There is always more to discover. See you in the next video.